Welcome to Business Live. I'm Ark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got the major chicken company here in Jamaica, major chicken producer. That's Jamaica Broilers Group. Ticker symbol JBG. In this case here, a trade on the buy and the sell side. Sometimes in the industry, whether it's in the brokerage industry, the financial sector, they call this almost a cross trade here, folks, where the sell and the buy almost match up. In this case, a little bit off. So February 21st, 2021, a connected party and a director purchased approximately here a total of 4.97 million shares. And on the other side, two directors sold a whopping total of 4.85 million shares. So almost they're matching up, but a little bit off. Next up, we got Pharma Jamaica, had some brilliant earnings recently, and they've made some interesting disclosures here. We carried the disclosure recently, a couple of weeks ago, in terms of their non-executive directors. Now they're coming out here. We don't see much companies do this on the JSE. Not sure if it's a new rule or what's going on here, but the bottom line is Pharma has done it. It's transparent. It's a nice disclosure. It's good to see, catches you up on a public company and what they're doing. Now Sterling Investments coming out here declaring a dividend. Quite a quiet company, does their thing, doesn't really come out with too much corporate action items, but does their thing, and it's kind of a nice yield stock or a dividend play. So meeting held on February 16th, 2021, a dividend, as we said, the board of directors got together, declared a dividend, US dollars. A lot of decimal places here, but it's 0.00614. So 3 zeros per share, payable March 18th, 2021. Now 1834 Investments, struggling a bit here. It was expected. It's very technical in terms of what the company does, how they make their operating revenues. They've had a lot of bookings to other operating income. So they make a loss here in the third quarter, Q3. Small profit for year-to-date 9 months, but a very strong balance sheet. Lots of cash on the balance sheet, barely any current liabilities or payables, and just lots of cash. Strong balance sheet overall when you look at that and do some analysis. Palantir, now doing lots of government business globally, as well as the B2B, business-to-business model globally. Trading even higher, surging 15% or so, and doing even better on the back of a huge investment from this hedge fund run by a very notable lady and doing so well, called Ark Investment, taking a big splurge here, big investment into Palantir, making some holdings as the company's holdings were disclosed in terms of buy and sells. So gone are the days, it seems, Berkshire would come out or Warren Buffett and says making these trades and the market would just move. We haven't kind of heard about Warren's investments and moving the market for the past, think about it, 12 months, maybe 18 months, 24 months, even pre-COVID. Now we're seeing this company here, that's Ark Invest, or Ark Invest investing in Palantir. And anything that we're seeing this company now touch after having a spectacular 2020 as well as 2019, it is really moving the stocks and the markets, similar to Elon Musk or Tesla. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.